why do scientists suspect that there was once water on Mars?
What is the Mars Microprobe and how will it navigate below the surface of Mars?
What is the relationship between geometry and the Mars Microprobe?
Okay guys, I'm here with Dr. Robert Micheltree, who is working on current explorations into the Martian landscape. Right now, we're on top of NASA Langley's Impact Dynamics facility. Back in the 1960s, this is where they tested the lunar landers. Pretty cool. Dr. Micheltree, what on earth are we doing up here?
Well, I like it up here. You can look down on the surface of the Earth from up here. Like you can look out at the water and how it meanders across the land there. And we know that even if you remove that water, there would still be a distinctive shape to the pattern it makes. And it's those kind of patterns we see on the surface of Mars, but none of them have any water in them. And we wonder, where did the water go?
So where do scientists think the water went?
Well, some of them think it seeped beneath the surface. And that's the purpose of Mars Microprobe, to go to Mars and look for water beneath the surface.
Is that the microprobe?
Well, this is just a model of the microprobe. The actual microprobe is much larger, about the size of a basketball. But it has this same shape. And it's this shape, it's actually like a right triangle that is used to fly through the atmosphere of Mars. As it approaches the planet, it'll be tumbling. And then when it hits the atmosphere, no matter how it hits the atmosphere, it'll reorient itself and fly nose forward. And it'll continue to fly like that all the way down, decelerating from 17,000 miles an hour to 400 miles per hour when it strikes the surface. This outer shell breaks away, and the inside penetrometer, that fist-shaped instrument, pierces down through the soil and begins looking for water underneath the surface.
So once the microprobe penetrates the surface, how does it find water or look for water?
Well, this really small fist-shaped instrument has a small drill in it, and when it's down in the dirt, it digs with the drill, pulling some dirt inside of it, and it has even a laser in there also, and it uses the laser to shine some energy on the dirt, and it measures the outgassing of the dirt, and that's how it looks for water.
Okay, big deal. So what if it finds water on Mars?
Water's the key to understanding several interesting aspects about Mars. We don't go there just to understand if there's water there, it's what effect water has on other things. The more interesting question is the question of life. All life we know on Earth is tied some way to liquid water. And if we can find water on Mars, we're one step closer to understanding if life ever existed there or still does.
Well, that's definitely something to think about. Thanks, Dr. Micheltree.
My pleasure.
Appreciate it. Hey you, if you're interested in topics like life on Mars and other Mars explorations, just check out the website address on your screen.